Right, well I hope this is the first DJI Neo Fly More combo in the UK properly paid for. So I got it, I'm in the middle of doing some work on my motor camper van, but I couldn't resist unboxing it. This came from Amazon, it's the Fly More combo and it's £299. So let's see what we got. Normal DJI box. You'll have seen the professionals do this, but I'm not professional. This is not a paid review. I bought it myself, so this is really what you get and really what I think. Fumbling away with it. Right, getting out of the box. Slick as ever. Right, what have we got in this little box? We'll have a look at that in a minute. So in the box, nicely packaged. You don't get a bag though with the Fly More combo on this. So you get quite a nice box that it was in. You get some instructions and some stickers. I'm not even going to open, well I will open those. Of course we never use these, we don't do anything with them. The DJI fix stickers, the normal sort of DJI stuff. I'll put those back in the box. Looks like you get 2 spare propellers and 2 tiny little screws in there. What have we got in this box? So in this box you get a iPhone lead, a charge lead, and I hope in the remote there's an Android lead, although I am an iPhone person. This does work with DJI RC2, the one you got with the Mini 3 Pro, and there's the lovely little charging hub with the real dainty size batteries. What can I give you there as size? There's a traditional standard scalpel size, so there's light as a feather. This charging hub, for the first time in DJI history, will charge all at once, provided you've got the right size charger. Now keeping people in suspenders. Let's not open the actual drone yet. So this is the new DJI RC-N3. It seems to be switched on. I don't know why. I must have held it. But that's switched on, so switch it off. So under the hood here, yes, there is a wire for an Android phone, so I'll have to replace it for my phone. The sticks are where they normally would be in the back. All feels good, all feels good quality, just you would expect from DJI. So there we got the controller, the battery, a lead, a normal charge lead. There's a little diddy screwdriver. If that fits, I will eat my hat. I ain't gonna fit those screws. It seems to be the thing of DJI lately. And then we come to the diddy little Neo itself. Let's get it opened. And there she is. Look at that for a diddy little machine. In real life it seems smaller than on the review ones, people reviews. Yeah, those screwdriver won't fit if it does leak my hat. That's one of the things that always interests me, is how good the gimbal cover comes off. So it looks like, yeah, you push it that way and there's your camera. So there's a, do you have to put the, no, I don't think you do. You nip it, you put the camera on there and nip it in. Is that in? No. So already that will be an annoying thing. It's in the top and in the bottom. There she is. You can take the prop guards off here. Yep, they'll be a bit fiddly to take off, but I think I'm going to fly with them on. So there she is, DJI Neo, maybe one of the first real ones bought and delivered in the UK. There, indoors was holding the camera on this lovely sunny day. So here it is for a bit of a size comparison next to a standard iPhone X. There's a little scale for those that can be bothered. Yeah, the DJI Neo. give it a go in a minute, but I've got a no-fly zone here, so I'll have to skip over that.